Do you understand English when someone speaks to you? But when it's your turn, your brain goes blank. Is this happen to you? You know grammar, you know words, but still you are translating everything in your brain, Hindi to English. Today I'm going to teach you a simple method which is called VMR, which can use in your daily conversation. Let's get started today's class. My name is Sheetal and I'm going to teach you simple methods to learn English more quickly. So stay until the end because I'm going to give you a practical challenge that you can use from today. Before we start, I have a question for you. Have you ever thought that why do we translate? Let's understand. When someone asks you what are you doing, your brain may first think in your native language and then start searching for English words. And then you may be able to translate those sentences or words into English. This gap is making you hesitate while speaking. This process is making you very hesitate while speaking. So, what do you have to do? Our goal is not to force ourselves to stop magically thinking in our native language because this is not easy for all of us. So, what do you have to do? You have to just minimize the gap of that process which are taking much time. So, I'm going to give you a practical challenge and I'm going to teach you method which is VMR. V is visualization and M is for make sentences in your real life situation. And third is R. R is what? Repeat and rehearsal of those sentences and structure which you are probably using in your real life situation. For example, if you have to say, I am running late, मतलब मुझे देर हो रही है. This situation is your real life situation and you can use it in your different ways. Like, I'm running late for school, I'm running late for the meeting, I'm running late for the college, and I'm running late for the bus. So have you noticed here what we did? We didn't use unrelated sentences. We used the same pattern and the same structure, but we change the words and we change the situation. So you need to work on it and create your 5 own sentences and use in your daily life. Repeat and repeat again and again. You will see that how much you are improving. So this is very practical and natural way of learning. And the next thing is, if you are looking for something like imagine a situation. You are looking for your wallet which is missing. How would you say? You will say, I'm looking for my wallet. Have you seen? And if you are looking for a job, you can say, I'm looking for a job. And you can say he is looking for a job. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my books. So here I'm just using different words, but the situation are same. You have to do the similar way. Immerse yourself. You need to immerse yourself. Immersion means surrounding yourself in English so that English become the part of your daily life. Imagine you want to swim and you read several books of swimming, but you didn't learn to swim. Eventually you get into the water because you didn't try to swim. You just read. The similar way is English. If you want to improve your English and you want to speak, then you have to speak. You can't learn it through only reading. So start speak. I have one more example to explain you. If you want to know that how to make tea, you are not immersing yourself that how to make. You cannot learn that how to make tea. You have to prepare it yourself. You have to try it that how to make. If you like this video, and do like, share, subscribe, because I'm going to give you more practical challenges and more practical situation which will improve your English.